What's up, you guys? It's Jordan. I'm about to go on a road trip. These are my best friends, Andrew, Chris, Leecee, Jaylee. But yeah, we about to go to Cali and it's gonna be lit.
It's only Jordan and Leecee going, but we're here to say goodbye.
Bye, Jordan.
Love you.
Bye.
I find shelter in this way, undercover, hide away. And can you hear when I say I have never felt this way? Maybe I had said something that was wrong. Can I make it better with the lights turned on? Maybe I had said something that was wrong. Can I make it better with the lights turned on? Could I be? Was I there? It felt so crystal in the air.
Welcome to my crib.
Welcome to our crib. Okay, we got some nice decor right here. Nice, nice, nice. Oven, fridge, hot Cheetos, a nice dining area, very luxurious with the lights. Okay, we got a bedroom here, a nice little entertainment area. This is my family. Everyone say hello. Sarah, I said say hello. Cute, cute. Okay, over here we have this beautiful bathroom. That is me. Let's take a look at the shower. A nice little mat so we don't slip and fall and die. And then this, oh wait, what's in this closet? This is where we hide our dead bodies. This is mine and Leecee's room. We've already got it set up the way we want. Electronics all sprawled out on the bed. We got a Roku right here. Over here we have the closet, hella shoes, hella drip down.
So
Yep.
we could get our reading on.
Yeah, we gotta get our knowledge up, you feel me? Lotion to stay hydrated, beanies for this warm, confusing California weather. And that's about it. Y'all just really don't understand how fucking fast I am. Like, oh, my bad. Okay, so me and Leecee are too dumb to figure out how to get back to the apartment.
The fuck?
We've been on the elevator like 4 times right now, and we just keep ending back up in the parking garage, so shit. R.I.P. to us. Andrew, are you talking shit right now?
I will merely wop the fuck out your head.
And I'll plug
Y'all
you
hear
in the
that?
butthole.
He said he was gonna millywop me. Somebody call the cops! Domestic violence!
Did I just make an intro on your vlog?
Yeah, you did. Thanks.
Oh, man.
Your phone.
You're already in it, by the way.
So yeah, this is how me and Lisa do yoga. I'm just kidding. Come here. Come here. Oh my goodness. Oh.
Now show her. Aww. Whatever.
Does the spelling of that make anyone else feel weird, or is it just me? Just me? Okay. Sweet. Oh wow, it's a windy one.
It is.
Which way is it coming from? Always.
Everywhere. I don't know.
The twist up. Okay, so we're getting brunch right now. What time is it? It's 2:42.
We're having blocky brunch.
Yes, we are.
Oh yeah, look at these little flowers down here. Talk to them so they can be beautiful flowers, grow beautiful.
Yes. Alright, then Hey guys, so we're eating right now. I was gonna vlog when the food got here, but I was way too excited, man.
Gotta get this. Look at this. Oh. You gotta drizzle this, and then you gotta.
Ooh. Mom, how's your food?
Delish.
Nikki, how's your food? Sarah, how's your food? I'm just gonna.
All right, Jordan. Consistency is key. Okay.
Mom.
Yes.
What did you just say to me?
My coffee.
She said it was on demand, bitch.
Yeah.
We're on demand, bitch.
You're gonna get.
Looks like I'm sticking my toe in your mouth. What'd you say?
Do you guys even want this?
Yeah, we do, but it's too damn loud and we can't turn it down. I'm ugly.
I came to the right place.
What's up, guys? What is this, day 3? Day 2. Is it?
Well,
No, it's day.
day 3.
It's
Yeah,
like day 2.5. I don't know. I don't fucking know. Yeah, it's a nice sunny Saturday. Finally, the weather's not acting up. We're about to get some sushi. Well, not my mom because she doesn't like sushi. Yeah, she gonna grub on some teriyaki though. You feel me? So yeah, that's yeah.
Bagels, like Marcy, big moves.
Big mood.
That's what she did to this girl at the fountain yesterday.
How you doing?
Doing well, dog.
I'm doing well, dog. Damn, we really smashed on this shit.
Jalapeno too, Sarah.
There's shadows.
What is this?
Another one bites the dust. Good morning. I'm sorry I'm so ugly. I apologize deeply. Freddy Krueger. I don't even know who the fuck on this beat. Wake and bake, Ricky Bobby. Oh shit. They gon' make me and Casey catch a body.
I just be rolling, I be sober.
Good morning, America.
It's a beautiful day in the neighborhood.
We don't wake everyone up.
This is what our little neighborhood thingy looks like. I don't know if you'd call this a neighborhood, but you feel me. This is so sketch holding my camera over this. I can't. Deuce. It's actually a really beautiful day today, so thankfully we came today to come out here. So it's day 4. We're out here. I'm honestly dead. I'm really dead. Like, we're leaving. What time is it right now?
It's like 10:30.
Yeah, we're supposed to leave here in 30 minutes. I still need to get ready to go. And I got this pimple right here. So basically, all in all, Cali did me well. Yeah, basically. Thoughts on the trip, leecee? And thanks for your input. Back to you with the weather report, Jordan. Mom, are you sad we have to leave Sarah? No. No, you're not. I'm depressed. I don't want to go home. Yeah. Achoo. 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 Luna. Okay, bye.
Get them all.
Another one bite the dust. Go Luna. Go Sarah. Ooh.
How many babies does she have?
Whoa, Kiwi just walked out from the couch on her 2 legs.
Okay, hey, what's up, you guys? I've been home for like 3 days now, and I've just really been slacking. You know, I didn't film an outro. I've just been watching Shameless for the past 72 hours. So, this is what you get. You guys should already know not to really, like, expect that much from me. So, like, I'm sorry if you wanted a cool outro. You're not gonna get it. Okay? Okay. So, thank you guys for watching. I appreciate you. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Follow all my social media. And Jaylee. I'm trying to make her famous. So, yeah. I'll put her social media in the description box below. And maybe I'll put leecee's, but I don't really know yet. I haven't decided. She stinks. Not only does she stink, but she musty too. Okay? Okay. Anyways, yeah, that's all I have to say. Thank you so much. See you guys next time. Goodbye.